With the X1's increased deck height, we are able to accommodate our sterile procedures a little bit better, like arthrograms and myelograms and just regular injections that the radiologists do. We can accommodate wheelchair patients a lot easier, especially when they come in, and it helps to get onto the table since the table can get a lot lower. Really like the features that we could do the leg lengths and the scoliosis series now. We have a lot of doctors that order that, and we would have to just push those patients away. So now that we can accommodate that for those doctors, it's really good for us. It would keep patients in-house, and it would also have patients from outside doctors come to us too to do those images. With this system, we have a 2-panel configuration with a 17 by 17 panel in the wall and a 14 by 17 panel in the table. We love it because it really helps our patient workflow. We don't have to take the panel out of the wall or out of the table. Brown's Medical Imaging came through and showed us a presentation about the X1 machine, and it really showed us that would be a better workflow for our patients and for us too.